Let's talk about belt maintenance for these big rigs. The truth is, 35% of belts fail on heavy-duty trucks before they're even changed.
And that can lead to costly downtime and lost dollars. That's why Dayco recommends a front-end drive system inspection around 100,000 miles, or during every oil change. That means looking not only at just the belt, but the pulleys and tensioner as well. These components have definitely advanced over the years. This system constantly is exposed to high temperatures, extreme vibration, and harmful chemicals. Over time, the belt and other components are susceptible to cracks, wear, and misalignment.
A truck will not run without a working belt. If the belt breaks or separates from the pulley system during operation, the vehicle won't properly cool the engine, charge the battery, engage the power steering, or run the air conditioning. During an inspection, pay attention to these 3 key issues: belt wear, noise, and contamination. All are telltale signs that system replacement is needed.
EPDM belts show wear in much the same way as a tire. The rib profile gradually gets worn down and changes over time. It's important to use a tool like our awareness gauge to check the rib profile as well as the rib depth and the belt's overall exterior condition. When the profile of the belt changes, less surface area is in contact with the pulleys. This can cause slippage and affect the performance of the accessories and possibly result in noise.
Noise is a common problem, but it's not always the belt that's the culprit. Many times, noise is the result of pulley misalignment or lost tension. There are 2 very distinct types of noises that are the result of different issues. One is a chirp, the other is a squeal. Let's talk about the chirp first. It's high-pitched, sharp, and repetitive. It's usually worse at lower speeds and may blend together but diminish in intensity. The main causes of chirp include pulley misalignment, worn belt ribs, and worn pulley bearings. It could also be the result of a low-quality belt. Replace the pulleys if they're worn, and always use a laser alignment tool to check the belt. Anything from 1 to 2.5 degrees off, and the risk of chirp noise increases exponentially.
The other sound you might hear is a squeal. It's high-pitched, lasts several seconds, and will increase in volume as engine speed increases. A squeal is caused by a slip between the belt and the pulleys and is often due to low belt tension. This happens when the belt is overstretched, a tensioner is worn out, or a bearing is failing. Replace any tensioner where the bearing feels rough, or if the pulley has excessive runout or wobble. A simple water test can help you determine which noise the culprit is. With the truck idling, spray the water on the belt's rib surface. Then, listen closely. If the noise you hear does not stop, it's a chirp, and you have an alignment issue. If the noise stops and returns, it's a squeal, and the issue is related to tension.
The final concern to be mindful of with belts is potential contamination. Make sure the belt and its surrounding components aren't exposed to other oils or fluids. They weaken the belt, cause swelling, and lead to a host of other problems like noise and misalignment. And when it's time for installation, which we recommend every 300,000 miles, always use OE quality products, replace the belt, tensioner, and pulleys at the same time.
Dayco's been working closely with heavy-duty OEMs for 90 years. In fact, more than 2,500 design, development, and testing hours go into each one of our products. The same technology that we engineer for OEM solutions is built right into our aftermarket products as well. Plus, we make system replacement easy for fleets with a Poly V Serpentine belt kit. It includes everything needed to do the job right the first time. For more information, visit daycoaftermarket.com.